Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Due to my illness, my voice is too hoarse to record this video. Fortunately, it's not a problem to replace it with a voice from 11 Labs. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, finding the most versatile casting jig for fishing the stunning beaches around Puerto Escondido. Whether you're a local or a visitor, this information will help you maximize your fishing experience. So, let's get started. First off, why should you consider using jigs for beach fishing? Jigs are incredibly versatile and can mimic various bait fish, making them effective for a wide range of species. They sink quickly, allowing you to cover different depths and terrains. Plus, they can be used in both calm and rough waters, perfect for the changing conditions here in Puerto Escondido. Now that we have our jigs, let's talk about how to use them effectively. The basic technique is a simple cast and retrieve. Here's how to do it. 1. Cast your jig out into the water. Aim for areas where you see schools of fish or bait activity. 2. Let it sink for a moment. This allows it to reach the desired depth. 3. Start reeling in slowly. Vary your retrieval speed and incorporate occasional jerks or pauses to make your jig more enticing. This is the biggest jack crevalle I've caught from the beach so far with a ruby lure. Finally, let's talk about conservation. Always practice catch and release when targeting species that are overfished or protected. Respect the environment and help keep our beaches clean for future generations. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you found this guide to the most versatile casting jig for fishing the beaches around Puerto Escondido helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fishing tips and adventures. And remember, get out there, enjoy the ocean, and happy fishing.